In this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit the main slideshow that appears on the Routes homepage. The slideshow images are located in a folder named Slideshow Images. To navigate to this folder, select the Contents tab on the left side of the edit bar. Then scroll down until you see the Slideshow Images folder. If you double-click this folder to open it, you can see the slideshow images. To add a new image, select Add New and scroll down to Image. Give your slide a title. I'm going to call this Pangolin slide because I have an image of a pangolin I'm going to use for this purpose. Give it a description, and I'll just add description here. And then choose the file. I already have this ready to go, so you'll just select it from your computer and then hit Save. Go back to Slideshow Images, and you can see that there's now 5 slides here. To add the image to the slideshow, go back to the home page. I'll just select the logo and select Manage Portlets from the left. Now you'll notice that you can't see the drop down because it falls behind the slide. So to fix that, just simply slide the page up, and then when you select Manage Portlets, you can then access all the options here. So select the top option, Manage Portlets. Now, if you look here, you'll see some new text on top of the image, on top of the page. This is the portlet area where we're adding the slideshow. So if you click on the text here, you'll get into the Portlet Manager. The slider, we call it the slider, the slideshow, is a static HTML portlet, and it's located in header portlet A. So click on slider, and then you'll be inside of the portlet area, and you can see there's the slides. Now you don't have the styling showing here. That comes in when you view it through the browser on the page itself. But you can see the layout. You've got an image, the big title, a little bit of descriptive text, and a read more. If you switch to source code under Tools, you can see the HTML code for each slide. Each slide is laid out as a list item. A list item in HTML will always start with a UL, and then each item is a list item, LI. So if you want to copy the code for one of the slides and then use it again, you would go from the opening LI tag all the way down until you hit the last closing LI tag. Then you would simply copy. I'm going to do this here, but this is on the dev site, so I'm not breaking anything. And I would paste and then hit OK. Next, scroll down and hit Save. And what we're going to end up with is 2 of the airplane slides. So you'll notice right away there's 5 dots here. That means there's an extra slide. And these 2 are the same. Next, let's replace the image in slide 2. Go back to Manage Portlets. Select the text below the slideshow. Select Slider. Scroll to that second slide. Select the image and delete. Now use your edit bar to insert Edit Image. Since we know that the name of the slide is Pangolin, We can just start typing and it will show up automatically. For the size, you want to select original, because for the slideshow, we always optimize our images to the size that we need. Now, if you were to select a smaller image, it would fill the space, but it would be very pixelated and look really bad. So select original. You could give your image a title. Alternative text, you can add that for screen readers. And then hit insert. You can change, you can see that now we have the slide here. You can change the title, let's just call it Pangolin. You could change the text here, and you could change the link. For now, let's hit save. Go back, you can use the return key to go back to the front page. And then there's our new slide.